welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1970 Buick GS455. This Grand Sport 455 is one of only 1,416 convertibles built for 1970. It has 536 miles in the odometer, a full Hotchkis total vehicle suspension system, a 4-speed manual transmission, and a 455 cubic inch V8 engine. The 1970 GS455 model is arguably the most popular year for Grand Sport enthusiasts, being that it was the first year true big block performance was offered by Buick. With big block performance, Buick also offered some of the most aggressive body design to better compete in the muscle car arena. The 455 cubic inch V8 featured Stage 2 performance upgrades along with the ever-famous GSX appearance package. With all these upgrades, Buick proved that the GS455 wasn't your granddad's luxury vehicle any longer, but rather a competitive muscle car that would produce more torque than anything else GM had to offer. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.